Model, 68-plate Peugeot partner 1.6 BlueHDi Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 289377 MOT, 29 November 2023 engine, 1560 cc DV6 FD, BHY-B transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs on easy start with a rattle timing belt has slipped, suspected 1 to 2 teeth out of timing, turbo needs replacing. This may repair, or may not. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. This has been very well looked after as seen in the pictures. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,